Build like a pro, even on a DIY budget. DeWalt's 2025 lineup packs industrial-grade power into tools designed for your garage, your backyard, and your big ideas. From slicing through concrete to crafting furniture-grade cuts, these 10 game changers turn I can't into I just did. Ready to see how? The DeWalt 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver kit is a powerhouse duo for tackling a wide range of tasks. The drill and driver features a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out, ensuring it can handle tough applications. Its compact 7.52-inch design allows you to work comfortably in tight spaces. The impact driver, on the other hand, offers a robust 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, ideal for heavy-duty fastening. Its 1/4 inch hex chuck allows for quick, one-handed bit changes. Both tools run on twin-handed bit changes. Both tools run on 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, offering long run times and reliable performance. The DeWalt 20V Max 5 Ah lithium-ion battery 2-pack provides the extra power needed for prolonged tasks. Each battery offers a generous 5.0 Ah capacity, ensuring you can work longer without interruptions. These batteries are compatible with the entire 20V Max system, making them versatile for multiple tools in your collection. The integrated LED fuel gauge keeps you informed about the remaining charge, reducing downtime. Durable and dependable, this battery pack is a must-have for extended projects. Illuminate your workspace with the DeWalt 20V Max LED work light. This portable light delivers 110 lumens of brightness, perfect for working in dark or poorly lit areas. Its head rotates 120 degrees, allowing you to direct light precisely where it's needed, and the built-in hook offers hands-free convenience. Powered by a 20V Max battery, it provides up to 11 hours of runtime, ensuring consistent lighting throughout your workday. Rugged and efficient, this work light is an essential addition to your toolkit. Take your favorite tunes to the job site with the DeWalt wearable Bluetooth speaker. This compact speaker easily clips onto your belt or bag, offering maximum portability. Featuring Bluetooth 4.2 technology, it provides a range of up to 100 feet, so you can enjoy seamless connectivity without keeping your phone close by. Designed to endure job site conditions, it is both dust and water resistant, ensuring it can handle tough environments. With its robust build and impressive sound quality, this speaker makes workdays more enjoyable. The DeWalt FlexTorque 100-piece impact driver bit set equips you with the right tools for virtually any fastening job. Featuring FlexTorque technology, the bits are engineered with a flexible torsion zone to absorb torque and reduce breakage, prolonging their lifespan. The set includes a variety of bits, from Phillips and slotted to Torx and square, ensuring versatility for different tasks. Organized in a durable, lockable case, this set keeps your bits secure and ready for use. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this set ensures precision and efficiency. The DeWalt 20V Max LED handheld spotlight is the ideal solution for focused illumination. Producing up to 1,000 lumens of brightness, it lights up long distances effortlessly. It offers up to 10 hours of runtime with a 5.0 Ah battery, making it dependable for extended use. The spotlight features 2 brightness settings and a red filter, which preserves night vision during outdoor or low light tasks. Built to last, overmolded lens cover enhances durability, making it an excellent choice for inspections or challenging job site conditions.
Alco door clamp is a real boon for carpenters and door installers, making the job much easier and safer. Let's start with the main point. This clamp is capable of holding doors up to 2.56 inches thick. It is suitable for almost any household and office door. The construction of the clamp is impressive. It's made entirely of sturdy steel. Adjustable feet allow the clamp to be perfectly leveled even on uneven floors. Special attention has been paid to the protection of the doors themselves. The jaws of the clamp are covered with felt no scratches, dents.
The DeWalt DCL04 320V Max Job Site LED Spotlight delivers up to 1,500 lumens of powerful brightness, ideal for dark work environments. It features 4 LEDs, including a red light mode to preserve night vision, and 2 brightness settings for adjustable intensity. With a long distance beam, it's perfect for inspections or focused tasks. Powered by a 20V max battery, it ensures extended runtime. Its rugged construction, over-molded lens cover, and ergonomic handle make it durable and easy to use. Versatile and reliable, this spotlight is ideal for job sites, inspections, and outdoor tasks. The DeWalt DCE 555B 20V Max XR brushless drywall cutout tool is a precision cutting solution for drywall projects. Its powerful brushless motor delivers up to 26,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring clean and efficient cuts. Designed for comfort and control, it features a slim, ergonomic grip and a lightweight build to reduce fatigue during extended use. The tool includes a tool-free bit change system for quick adjustments, boosting productivity. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery platform, it offers excellent runtime and performance. Whether for professional or DIY drywall work, this cutout tool provides reliability and ease of use. The DeWalt DCF 630B 20VAX XR brushless drywall screw gun is built for fast and precise drywall installation. Its brushless motor delivers up to 4,400 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient screw driving performance. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, this tool reduces fatigue, making it ideal for extended work sessions. The screw gun offers a lock-on mode for continuous operation and a variable speed trigger for enhanced control. Its nose cone is easily removable, enabling quick depth adjustments. Compatible with the 20V Max battery platform, it ensures long run times and reliability. Whether for professionals or DIY enthusiasts, this screw gun delivers speed, precision, and durability. The DeWalt Bluetooth hearing protector combines comfort, protection, and convenience for noisy job sites. With an impressive noise reduction rating of 25 decibels, it safeguards your hearing while allowing you to stay focused on your tasks. This hearing protector features integrated Bluetooth connectivity, enabling wireless pairing with your devices for hands-free calls or streaming music. Its lightweight design, padded headband, and soft ear cups ensure maximum comfort during extended use. The rugged build guarantees durability in demanding environments. Whether you're working in construction or a workshop, this protector offers reliable noise control and seamless connectivity. Hit like if you're hyped to build smarter, subscribe for pro-level DIY hacks, and drop a comment. Which DeWalt 2025 tool are you grabbing first? Links below for full demos and deals. Go crush those projects.